Welcome back to the dfwplumber.com Dallas-Fort Worth Plumbing podcast. I'm Andrew, and today we're breaking down a problem almost every North Texas home deals with: hard water. If you've seen white crust on faucets, cloudy dishes, or soap that won't lather, you're seeing the effects of hard water. What is hard water? Hard water contains elevated levels of calcium and magnesium. As water moves through soil and rock, it absorbs these minerals. Most cities in the DFW area have moderate to very hard water. It's safe to drink, but it's rough on plumbing. Why is it a problem? When hard water heats or evaporates, minerals solidify into limescale. This buildup sticks to fixtures, appliances, and pipes. Common signs of hard water: 1. White crust on faucets and shower heads, mineral deposits. Clog aerators and reduce flow. Showerheads spray unevenly or clog frequently. 2. Soap that doesn't lather, minerals interfere with soap, creating a filmy residue that coats tubs, glass, skin, and hair. 3. Shorter appliance lifespan. Water heaters, dishwashers, and washing machines suffer most. In water heaters, scale settles at the bottom, causing overheating, reduced efficiency, and early failure. A heater that should last 10 to 12 years may fail in 6 to 8. 4. Low water pressure at certain fixtures. Clogged aerators are common in hard water homes. Vinegar can help, but if it happens often, your hardness level is high. 5. Cloudy dishes and glassware dishwashers can't rinse minerals off, leaving a dull spotted film. 6. Stiff laundry detergent works poorly in hard water, leaving clothes scratchy and worn looking. 7. Higher energy bills. Scale forces your water heater to work harder, raising gas or electric usage. How hard water affects plumbing materials. PEX. Resistant inside, but fixtures still clog. Copper can contribute to corrosion or pinholes. Galvanized steel rusts and restricts flow faster. Water heaters. Hard water dramatically shortens lifespan. What can homeowners do? 1. Install a water softener. The most effective solution. Softeners remove calcium and magnesium before they enter your home. 2. Use descaling conditioners. Not true softening, but they help reduce mineral sticking. 3. Flush your water heater yearly, prevents heavy sediment buildup. 4. Clean aerators and shower heads monthly. A quick vinegar soak keeps flow strong. 5. Use dishwasher rinse aids, helps reduce spotting. 6. Choose liquid soaps. They leave less residue than bar soaps in hard water areas. Let's recap. Hard water equals high mineral content, safe to drink but tough on plumbing. Causes: scale, clogged aerators, soap scum, cloudy dishes, and stiff laundry. Reduces appliance efficiency and lifespan. Water softeners offer the best long-term fix. Simple maintenance helps control symptoms. If you want your home's hardness tested or are considering a softener, visit dfwplumber.com to connect with a trusted local plumber. Thanks for listening. I'm Andrew, and I'll see you in the next episode.